Hello and welcome to the stock market analysis. Today we're going to look at stock JPM. The stock is making new all-time highs, and as you can see, the stock has been in an uptrend since this bullish cross here where the 20 MA cross above the 50 MA. It has been on a bullish run up, and when the stock is above the 20 MA, 50 MA and rising 200 MA, you want to continue to be bullish in the stock. When it's above 20 MA, it tells us to be short-term bullish. When it's above the 50 MA, it tells us to be mid-term bullish. So the rising 200 MA also tells us that we should be long-term bullish in the stock as well. Stock broke above this downtrend line. You can see that ever since the break of this downtrend line, it has been moving up, and of course there are many ways to profit from it. For example, stock here breaks above a consolidation. This provided a viable opportunity. Of course, you could have bought it as it breaks above the downtrend line as well. So consolidation breakouts are where you buy the stock, put the stop loss below the consolidation, and ride it higher. Right now, the stock might be breaking above, setting up another consolidation where it can break out of. So if it breaks out, this could be a viable pattern with a stop loss here. And of course, this consolidation are support areas. If the stock breaks above this consolidation, it will be the new support area. And this area also is a support area for the stock as well. So you might want to pay attention to support areas, because if the stock falls, this will be the area that keeps it from dropping. So from a weekly perspective, you can see the stock has broken above the previous high here back in 2021. It's making all-time highs. Let me just remove the drawing so you can see clearly. And this area, price here, will be a significant support area for the long term. If you are an investor, this area from 172 to about 162 is a strong support area, because previous highs, once overcome, becomes a new support. And even if it drops to here, it is a good area to buy as well. Now, the stock is above the rising 20 MA in the weekly chart, rising 50 MA, rising 200 MA. This tells us that we should be bullish on the stock. It is in a very power uptrend, so you might want to continue to stay bullish in the stock. Here it declined after it make a rounding kind of top and broke below the 20 MA, 50 MA, which showed weaknesses, and then there is a bearish cross, and it just kind of declined from here. But as you can see, it rose back up and traded sideways a bit before breaking up high. You could say that this might be a kind of cup with handle pattern. If you can see it, this cup and this handle, it broke out of the handle and of course met the target of the cup with handle. It has a bullish cross here, and that's why it's rising very, very nicely. If we look at the monthly chart, you can see more clearer. Cup, handle, breakout. There was a retrace back to the top of the handle, but this support here hold. Let me just draw for you to see. This is the handle, and this is the cup. Cup is where there's a decline, but after that the stock rose back again. Okay, interesting. Sometimes it's the cup, handle, and then it broke higher. You can take target by taking the highs, lows, and then you clone it, and then you project it higher. That it has already met its target around here. So right now this is just bonus. This is a very strong support area. All highs are strong support areas. So at this moment it's still in a very nice bullish uptrend. It has been in a bullish monthly uptrend. Weekly is still in a bullish uptrend. Daily, as you can see, it's above the bullish uptrend. So we are gonna have bullishness in JP Morgan. Just wait for it to break above this consolidation. If it breaks out, then we know it's gonna go higher. Now let's take a look at the 16-minute chart. It's still meandering here, but it's above the rising 200 MA, so we should continue to be bullish on it in the short term. You can see that ever since here it has stayed above the rising 200 MA, and there has been a lot of gains. So a simple trend following method like the 200 MA really helps. But for today, our analysis just pay attention to this consolidation. If it breaks out, it will go higher. If it chooses to break down, then we can see prices go lower. Now let's go to the seasonality chart of JP Morgan. April, it has gone up 80% of the time. May, it has gone up 80% of the time, but April, it's gone up 0.9%, and May is 4.3%. So we would say that there is a slightly bullish bias for the stock in this month. So we want to stay bullish with all the technicals, and if it breaks out, we want to continue to be bullish on the stock. So I hope that this analysis has helped you. Do like this video if it's helpful and you've learned something, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.